Alright guys, so I'm gonna get this truck all set up. So it's got the Chevy dual cab front on it. The guy that owned it previously put the service body on there, and we got plenty of storage and shelving on the sides, so for running service and stuff it'll be real easy to get stuff out of there and just do that if this back is loaded. So here's the back, and I measured it. I got plenty of room. I can get an air handler and a condenser in here, no problem. And then you know, I still got room. I got still got room up in here to put stuff if I need to. I'm going to try to minimize how much stuff I put inside and try to utilize these side compartments as much as I can, because I got quite a bit of room. He'll have some old boxes in here, some old organizers. These are all divider shelves. I can move these dividers. Some more dividers here. You know, I use the pack out system, so I'm going to find a way to make this work for my pack outs. I won't have to put them in the back. So let's start setting this guy up. I didn't show you too, guys. This one side has this upper compartment here that opens too. So I got more storage up here. He set it up for his refrigerant tanks there. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I might take this stuff out of there. I'm not sure. And then he's got some netting so stuff can't fall in there. But yeah, let's see how I want to do it here. Alright guys, I got my stickers on there. I might have to get some different magnets, I think. Stickers, magnets. I don't know how well. I don't think it looks as good that way. This side's really lacking something. I can't quite fit that one there. I'm gonna get some other stuff designed for this, because it's got a bigger body on it, obviously, than my older truck there. So let's go see what the other side looks like. I'm gonna get the license plate. So I kind of did the same thing on the other side here. But you know, it's pretty dead here. The other guy had his actual lettering and stuff done by a company. I'm more of a magnet guy. That way I can pull them off when I get somewhere I don't feel like is very safe and someone might want to try to break in. So yeah, I'm gonna get my ladders on there. I'm gonna start figuring out how I want to organize these bins. But yeah, I think this truck's gonna work out great for me. It'll do everything I need it to do. So let's keep stocking her up and see what she looks like. Alright guys, let me show you what I've done so far. So I got a 8-foot ladder up there, and I got my 20-foot extension ladder on that side. I got my 6-footer and my 2-footer back here along with my tool bag. So I want to find a different place to put that, but that's where it is for now. I want to eliminate going back here at all. I only want to be able to use this for equipment. I know this is a lot of space here, but I got a lot of space on the sides that I can utilize. Obviously, I'll put some stuff up here, and I'll fill this up here. Excuse me. But I want to eliminate having to climb in and out of here. It's kind of a pain in the butt. And as I age, I don't really feel like climbing in the back of these anymore. So I'm going to get this set up better probably, but I want to keep this open for equipment. Let's go to this side. I'll show you what I've done on the side bins here. So I got my torches, some extra brazing rods, extra lighter. I got my striker and my tubing cutters in there, my bucket of wet rags. I got my tubing benders up here. Those fit right in there perfectly. Next bin over, I just got all my Milwaukee stuff. I got my vacuum, a couple of chargers, some spare batteries, a bunch of tools, skill saw. I still need to put my my porta band in here. I got some more stuff I got to put in, but I'm going to try to keep all my Milwaukee stuff in here. All these doors lock, so we're good. And then in this one, I got, you know, what you'll find when you start organizing this stuff is that it's going to change. Obviously, you just want to try to get everything on there, see what works. And this is all subject to change. But I got some zip screws in there, some caulking, different sizes of thermostat wire, some extra PVC fittings, some PVC glue back there, my tapes, different tapes. I got more stuff I'm going to put in here. This is just what I'm going to do for today. I'm not doing any real work until Monday. My goal is to get this van set up real good. And then I got my woven strapping. I got some hole strap, like plumber's tape type strap there. I got my white wire ties, black wire ties, my wire ties with the eyelets in them, which I really like. Got my vacuum pump, caulking gun. You know, I got my caulking up there. This is all subject to change. A little bit of Pookie, mastic, some vinyl tubing if I need it. So yeah, let's go to the other side. And you can see, there's my old truck there. And you see on the new one, it's a lot shinier. The paint's not chipping or anything. This one's a little bit newer and it's a lot less miles on it, so I think I'm gonna enjoy it. So nice thing about this is the guy put nice seat covers on this, so I don't have to worry about messing up the seats, and I can stack stuff in here. He even did a bench seat cover back here. So I think what I'm going to do is probably have my pack out. The pack outs don't really fit in the sides, so I'm going to put my pack outs back here. And the nice thing is these seats come way forward. You know, it's not a 4-door truck. I wish it was, but I'll just keep my pack outs in here, and I got more stuff I'm going to put in there, but I'm just getting started with organizing this. But I kind of stacked them by level of how much I use stuff. And then the one down there, that's my flaring stuff. That's for mini splits, so it's readily accessible. Let's go to the other bins here. So on this one, so I want to kind of use this as a service area. So I got my all my capacitors for dual capacitors and my run capacitors for fans, etc. And then I got my leak test stuff there. I got my manometer there. I got my field piece multimeter, my extra 1/4-inch impact, and I'm kind of stealing a page from Ted's book here. So I got my drill, and then I need to find my multi screwdriver, my all-in-one. I'm going to put in there. I got jumpers and everything in this pouch, so I can go do quick service calls with just what I have right here: gloves, headlamp, etc. Haven't done anything with this one yet. You know, having pack outs, I don't really need these for small stuff, but I might do it just to make stuff easy to grab. So I'll keep my pack outs full when I don't feel like pulling those out, and I'll just organize this with PVC fittings, screws, wire nuts, and stuff. I got all these little bins here, so I want to utilize those. And then up top here, I got my bench snips and a couple of bar folds. I got a job where I got to build some sheet metal coming up, so I want to have that easy to get to. Got some hole saws. I got 3 of these kits. I'm gonna get some more of the hole saw kits up here. And then I got my gauges. I got my field piece digitals, and then I got my backup, my analog brutes back there. So yeah, it's coming along. Shut this, and then let me show you this last bin here. So in here, it fit perfectly, so I can keep my nitrogen with its regulator on it. I got my oxygen tank, extra acetylene. That one I need to swap. I want to keep an extra, so that's where I'll keep my extras. And these all squeeze in there perfect. They don't move at all, so it's really nice. And then my 410A. I'm going to put my R422B on here, which I like for drop-in for R22. I got a spot right up there. I'm going to put it. And then my scale. So coming along. It's going to work out good for me, I think. I don't really like these pull down racks for these ladders. I still put a strap on. They tell you don't have to, but they rattle too much. So I'll have to get on my 2-foot ladder and cut a couple Panduit straps, wire ties, to actually lower it down. But that's fine. It'll be just fine. So yeah, that's where we're at. I plan on doing a bunch more stuff in here, guys. So stay tuned. I'll have another one once I'm finished. I know this ain't much for now, but hey, it's a new truck. And I'm excited. This thing's in really good shape too. It's been babied. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll let you guys know when I have done some more stuff to it. Yeah, I wasn't real happy. Well, I want to show you this too real quick since I'm still chit-chatting. Not real happy with these stickers here. You know, I think I already showed you. This is pretty bare here. And then I don't know if I want to keep my company magnet there, or if I want to put it up there. Like I said, I'm probably going to order up some different ones and play around with them and see what works. But this will get me going on the road for now. And yeah, we can start getting productive again. Thanks, guys.